Hello everyone, welcome to Ezer-Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to find your mobile number in case you forget it on Android devices. So the first method is you tap on settings and then you scroll all the way down and look for about phone, and then here you'll find your mobile phone number. In my case, since I got two SIM cards attached to my phone, you'll find both the numbers you see on top. So that's how you find your mobile number. And in case this method does not work for you, let me show you another method. The second method is you tap on settings once again and tap on connections and then tap on SIM card manager, and then here you'll find once again your mobile number. As I said before, I got two numbers. You find SIM1 and SIM2, and you find the mobile number below it. So friends, that's two methods on finding your own mobile number on your Android device. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for watching.